So we're going to talk about proper ways to carry your FerMonster and your Carboy, especially when full. They are made to be strong enough so you can actually drop them and not break, but that will not avoid any dents or damage in your Carboy and FerMonster. So to have a better lifespan and to avoid any spills or any inconvenience, especially when storing. So we recommend using the Carboy carrier. Carboy carrier is a very handy tool. It's got two different places where to grab it from. So it's got this handle and it's got that upper handle. So you can actually lift it and carry it on your side. Makes it very easy to move around, very easy to carry, to handle. If you see, it lifts it up very evenly. You gotta make sure you have the strips properly spread and properly widened so it doesn't tilt one way or the other. But once it's set up, it's fairly easy to use. It's very handy. It's very simple. If you do not have the Carboy carrier, we always recommend lifting your Carboy one hand on the neck, one hand on the base, and carrying it that same way. Try to avoid dropping it on its side because of the weight of the Carboy. You could dent it, damage it, and avoid scratching it on the bottom, making any damage that could bring further damage to your FerMonster or to your Carboy. The way to install the Carboy carrier, it comes packed all together. So the middle strap, just widen it. Make sure you spread the holding straps around evenly. It's a lot easier if you put it on your empty bottle first. You make sure it's evenly spread. Tighten it, and it's ready to use in transport. So next time you just put your best good, wine, beer, whatever you want to transfer or store in your Carboys. It's a very good, simple way to hold them, carry it. It's gonna save your back, and they are good to lift a lot of weight.